I can't play around your house. Well, I guess it won't be okay if you can make a sack for me. Who is the sack? Hi! Oh, great. I'll be gone. Well, I guess it won't be okay if we babysit you. Yeah, babysitting kind of fun. Yeah, let's play. Look to have fun with you. Cool. Hey, wanna play? No, Doug. I'm trying to watch some good old-fashioned TV. Uh-huh. Sorry, no can't do that. Maybe go ask Mikey. He's too busy. Oh boy, he's too busy. Then why don't you go play with him? Want to hide and seek? Nope. Did I goose? Nope. I hate that game. Hey, well, for you, I guess. Uh-huh. Okay. Now just let me watch some TV. Okay. Have fun. Wanna play? No! I just want to watch TV. Wanna play in my room in the car? No! Please? No! It'll be really... No! Come on! No! 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 Come on, you will... No! No, baby, no, it sucks. Stop it. Put me down! No. Whoa! Ow! Leo? Rah! Didn't see you there. Well, how is this? Doing good. Sack it all in, baby. Wah! No, please don't cry. Do nothing. I'm not a hero. I'll do anything for you to stop crying. Please. I didn't mean to. Want your pinky? Ow. No. Oh, I got an idea. You want your toy car? Yes, thank you. You're welcome. Now give me the piece. Quiet. A few hours later. Alright, I did. What happened here? Well, I was trying to take care of Zach, and why did the other girls babysit him? We were playing a game. Come here, you